Welcome. If you've noticed those autoplay animations on Facebook getting a bit distracting or just want to save some data and processing power, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to disable autoplay animations on your Facebook app when using a PC, especially after the recent update that changed the layout a bit. It's quick, straightforward, and will help make your Facebook experience smoother and less hectic. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Once you're logged in and looking at your main feed, head over to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. This will open a small drop-down menu with several options. Next, look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy, and click on it. This expands a new set of options beneath it, and from there, select Settings. This will take you to the central hub where you can adjust all sorts of preferences related to your Facebook account. Inside Settings, find and click on the category called Accessibility. It might be nestled along with other options, but it's definitely there. Under Accessibility, you'll see a subsection labeled Video and Motion. Click on this to reveal the settings connected to video playback and animations on Facebook. Here's the key step. You'll find an option named Autoplay Animations. By default, this is usually turned on, which means animations and certain video elements start playing automatically as you scroll through your feed. To disable it, simply toggle this option off. Once you've turned off autoplay animations, Facebook will no longer automatically display those moving graphics or animations on your page. This can reduce distractions, cut down on battery and data usage, and help your PC run a little smoother when you browse Facebook. And that's it. Disabling autoplay animations in the Facebook app on your PC is as easy as that. Just a few clicks through your settings and you're in control of the way your Facebook feed looks and behaves. Thanks for watching.